8th standard. Today we will study about the MS Access, which is one of a database management software. So let us study about MS Access. It is the most commonly used general purpose DBMS on a Windows based computer. It is a part of Microsoft Office 2010 suite. So here it is given about Microsoft Access 2010, but practically I'll show you in MS 2007. So because it is the advanced version and it is 2010 MS Access, so it will be available in the MS Office 2010 suite. MS Access is also called Relational Database Management System or RDMS, as it links or relate different tables together to get a common output. So relational database management system means at a time we can link a numerous table, and it create a big database and many table with a relevant field. Same relevant field can be attached and work. Then MS Access allows individual and small business organization to manage large amount of data and information. In MS Access, we can store, add, modify or delete the data, generate a query about data, and also produce reports to view the data. So as DBMS, RDBMS is also capable of creating the data, then modifying it, deleting or generating a query. So studying MS Access. To how to start MS Access. Starting an MS Access, we can click on Start, going to the All program, and then from a Microsoft Office, because it is a one of a application of Microsoft Office suite. So we can click on a Microsoft Office, and thereafter we can click on the Microsoft Access, because in a Microsoft Office which you can see we can get many other applications also, like Microsoft Outlook, InfoPath Designer, Microsoft Excel, Word, and Microsoft Office tools. So we can get it under the Microsoft Office folder. Then once it is open, we need to create a new database, because we have to create a database, and inside a database we can create number of tables with a relevant field. So we need to create a database first, and here you can see the window with the tags with their names. So we need to create a database first of all, and we'll give it the name of a database here, and then we'll click on the create. So a database will be created, and then we need to put the fields. So this is a window of our MS Access, uh, where we design a table for ourselves, and then these are the components of a table, starting from a file tab, quick access toolbar, ribbon, object name, navigation pane, and record numbers. So once the record is made, we can see from here how many records have been made, and then we can view a shortcut. There we get a status bar, and these are the window control buttons, as it is usual in most of the other windows. So Microsoft Access has a six main, so it is an important question that it has got a six main types of database object. Okay, so I'm going to underline it. So it has a six main types of database object, and these are tables, forms, reports, queries, macros, and modules. So you can write in your notebooks that we have got six types of database objects. Okay, so moving further, so on this point, let us revise and let us review that through this questionnaire. So Let us do it. My database is a collection of data arranged in a organized way. So it's a true. It's a true statement. So we'll write it over here. Next is database reduce the problem of keeping duplicate records. Again, true. Yes, we don't need to keep a duplicate record. It will maintain and accidental happening of uh, duplication is removed from this DBMS software. A column in a table is also called a field. This is also a true statement. And then navigation pane contain a list of all database objects that are a part of our database. Yes, correct. This is also true. MS Access has 16 main types of database objects. This is false because we don't have 16 main database object, but we have only 6. So that is why it is false. So all the statements are true except the last one. So we have revised a topic also, and page number 23 also has some queries. It is on page number 23, and so one more short query is there. Yes, it is about the categorize of the following data into various data types. So this exercise is about a data type. So before doing this, let us study this data type used in a MS Access. First is text. It contains all the numbers, alphabet, and special characters, whereas memo used for numbers, alphabets, and special characters. And number data types are exclusively for numbers, where you are writing the phone numbers or the contact numbers or any code for any data. Then date and time for mentioning any date and time. Currency again to get a numbers. Then auto number means it's a unique sequential number automatically entered by the MSX, so we don't need to put the series, but access will automatically increment the units. Then yes or no, this is a boolean where it automatically appears with a checkbox where the user have to enter only yes in case of tick and no even leave it blank or put the cross. Then OLE objects, it is for an attachment. Hyperlink for linking to another document. Attachment again, an electronic object button is created. It will create a button where a user can create an attachment to the other file. Then lookup wizard, where we can see a list and we can opt from a given list. So these are the different type of data type used in a MS Access. Now we can do this exercise also on the basis of this topic, and when we are entering 5.15 am, it means it is date and time. So data type of this data is date and time. Access dot tx dot, it is an attachment because attachment data type. This is number, this is text graduate, this is again date and time, this is memo or text because addresses usually take lengthy text, so that can be entered in a memo. And CBSC order, this is a hyperlink database, and then this is auto number because you can see this 1 2 3 4 no. So in coming videos we'll study more about the MS Access in detail. So you do these exercises and you watch this video, and for the questions I'll tell you what questions and how to do your work in your notebooks. So till then, take care and study well. Thank you very much.